Hey guys, this is Pratap here. So now we are going to talk about some important tool, which is VMware tool. Suppose this is Ubuntu that you have installed, all right? But you can see that it is not coming full screen. You see, it's coming small. So just because it is not installed with VM tools, I mean VMware tools. So you will be checking how to install VMware tools in this Ubuntu machine. If it is Windows, it's very easy. You just right click and then install. You'll go here, install VM tools, and after that you just in my computer, inside that my computer, that shortcut will come. I mean that icon, you will double click and install. But for Ubuntu it's just very different. So how normally you do, right click, install VMware tools. Once you'll click it, so then okay, just a minute. So once this is Ubuntu DVD, we have to eject it. Once you have done it, you right click on this, install VMware tools. Now you'll see one icon will be come up here. Can you see that? This is VMware tool. Now once you double click on that, you can see here this your zip file. So you can copy this one. You can copy that on that desktop here. Okay. So once you have copied that one, then you can you can right click and you can extract here. So once you'll be click on extract, one file will create here. Can you see that? Once you have done with this extraction, so then you will be you see this is the name of the tool. Now you go to the uh, terminal. This is the terminal. Now cd desktop. Now ls. You can see there is a two file. I mean two folder. One is extracted and another one is zip file. So gz, that is the zip. So you can go here and you can see it's a gz. It's a zip file. Okay. So you once you are here, then you will be give that command. Now cd VMware cd VMware tools. Now you can see these are the uh, you know tool are there. Now you can give this, let's say cd VMware, give enter. Now you will give this command sudo, uh, then you will give that permission, then the tool VMware install .pl, and then you'll give -d. Okay. So once we'll be giving this -d, so why we are putting -d? So it will be accepting all, after this, once you'll put enter, continuously it will keep asking, do you want to continue and all this. So I'm saying all of them, by default, whatever features are there, you please pick it. Now it's asking the password. So once you'll give that password, now you see. Now you see VMware package available from that vendor. Do you still want to proceed with the installation? Okay. Now if you give don't give anything, input no. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Now this is that command was there. if you give -y, d for default, uh, you can see install here. You can see if it is already installed. Let me give one once again. Do you want to proceed? You give yes. Now once you'll type yes, now you continuously give enter. Now see, it is started installing. Got it? Now see, it started installing. So you have seen it. Once you have given a default, by default it is no, it was here. So that's what it didn't pick it up. So you will type yes everywhere. Common enable file. Okay, so it's generated. Can you see now? It's become full screen. It seems like you are doing. If you give it a full screen now, so you can see, you will feel like you are doing with the a real machine, isn't it? So this is the way you can install your VM machine. Now sudo apt get install mm, update. So whatever the update are there, it will be taking. Or you can give that sudo apt-get update. So it will connect to the internet, and if there is any update for this, so it will do. It will take the update. So you see, everything took it. Now let me write here again, like what are the steps that we have followed in order to install this. So the thing is very simple. Same way you can do for Red Hat, you can do for Fedora, you can do for everyone. Okay, so let me show you up. So first, what we have done initially, uh, right click on VM, right click on VM, and then install VMware tools on the desktop. That's the first task. Number two, extract the VMware zip file on the desktop. Alright, then you will be going CD and desktop. Then once you go to the CD desktop, and then you can give ls, see, which is going to show you, which is going to show you the extracted files and folders. Once you have ls, this is the command. Now you will be giving this command sudo, that means admin permission you are giving, then dot, then /, then name of that VMware folder which is you have extracted. Let's say in your case you have put VMware, then install, and then dot pl. Okay, so if you give enter, once you'll be giving enter from here, so it will be asking yes every time you do yes and all. But you just read it, what is the prompt is looking for. Now if you put here -d, so what is the default case is made in your machine, so that it will pick. Alright, so make sure this is the way you will be installing the VMware tools. Thank you guys. You just practice and it is going to help you a lot. Okay, you see, it'll look like, a real feeling. It's a real feel you'll have. Now you go to a root, uh, sudo, then -i. See, you are in that root. You do whatever you want. Apt-get, update, Python. You want to see python, Python, then version. You see, Python is installed. Now you want to come out from here, exit. So you want to, if you want to install anything like sudo mm, apt get install Chrome or any browser, anything, or you want to install SSH. So SSH package will be installing here. You see, it's really amazing, guys. So you just practice a lot on this, and I hope it will help you a lot. So I don't want to make it long videos because many people from other countries who also uh, you know go through this video, and data over here damn costly. So I don't want to make it very large so that can impact on them. So that's what I'm making that exact the process which it can help them out. Thank you guys.